if you have no experience creating ads, if you have no experience creating a website, no experience with finding product, dropshipping is not for you. It's not, because it's complicated, man. It takes time, dog. And then you find a product and going through all these different sites and stuff to see what's trending. It takes time. And then besides that, you gotta create ads, bro. Like that takes time too. And then once you run it, there's a chance people might, you know what I'm saying? There's a chance that people are just gonna ignore it, scroll by it, and that's that. You're gonna see views on your Shopify store, but nothing goes to checkout. That's annoying, bro. It's really annoying. You're just spending money on ads alone over and over again. One product don't work, move on to the next one. You spend hundreds of dollars, thousands of dollars on ads. That shit right there is whack. It's whack only because you're spending so much money, bro. You're not getting no results. That's why it's whack. For a beginner, Amazon is way more simple. Now there's different business models, there's different avenues you can take when it comes to it. You got online arbitrage, you got retail arbitrage, you got wholesale, and you got private label. Now with just all of those things I just said right now, bro, I would eliminate private label because you have to create a product, run ads, all that stuff on Amazon, which, like I said, bro, it's complicated. You got wholesale remaining, retail arbitrage, and online arbitrage. Now, those are more simple, but if you start off with less cash, less money in the bank, whatever the case may be, these two are left. Online and retail arbitrage. Those are more simple. But I'm gonna take out retail because who knows if people have cars or whatever the case may be. But damn near everybody got internet. Damn near everybody got a computer. You can get going right now on online arbitrage. So I'm saying all this, bro, because it's simple. It's dead ass simple. All you have to do is find a product for a lower price. Find it for a discount, whatever the case may be, but it has to be lower than what it's selling for on Amazon. Now, with this product that you're gonna be finding, everybody knows about it. Literally, millions of people know about it. Thousands of people know about this product. It's gonna sell. You just gotta use certain softwares to be able to help you out. But it's gonna sell, bro. It's gonna sell. When it comes to that product, everybody knows about it. You don't have to run ads. All you gotta do is buy for a low price and put it on Amazon. It's gonna sell. Everybody damn near trusts Amazon. Amazon's the biggest platform on the internet right now, bro. They love it for its convenience. So why would you want to spend thousands of dollars on ads and that potential risk of not making nothing, bro? Just wasting time. When you could buy something that everybody knows and sell for a higher price, make money on it, and go about your business, bro. And just keep doing that over and over again. Simple as that. Keep adding products to your storefront. That's why I would say, F drop shipping, because it's complicated, bro. Now, don't get me wrong. I tried drop shipping before. I tried drop shipping and it didn't work out. You feel me? It didn't work out because, like I said, bro, it didn't work out because I'm trying so much stuff, bro. I'm looking for products. I'm trying to create creatives and all that. So yeah, is it biased? Yeah, you can say that. But if I'm able to run up damn near 6 figures on Amazon just like that in my first year doing business, come on, bro. You can do it too. Simple as that. And the success is definitely duplicated because I got other people doing the same thing on Amazon and making money from it. So therefore, I know it works. And that's why I would say do Amazon before you do drop shipping. Now, if you run it up on Amazon side, you decide you want to do drop shipping on Shopify and all that, go ahead. See what works for you. But and I'm just letting you know straightforward. I'm just letting you know so you don't gotta waste time. That Amazon is the right way, bro. I'm just saying that. It's simple as that. It's the simplest way to make money on the internet.